Lincoln made that famous speech, which I have with me here, on the battlefield of Gettysburg, he basically talks about the sacrifice of so many soldiers. And I think majority of those soldiers were white, who died for the cause of emancipation of the slaves. Am I right?
I don't see it exactly that way. I'm paraphrasing here, but what Lincoln's ultimate goal was to preserve the Union. So, for example, there was a group of states that were slave states, but they still remained in the Union, and they fought against the Confederate Army themselves. And so, paraphrasing here, Lincoln essentially said that my goal is to preserve the Union. If I can do it by keeping slavery, I will do it. If I can do it by abolishing slavery, I will do it. So I wouldn't necessarily say that the people who were fighting on the side of the Union Army were doing it for the sake of the abolition of slavery. It's wonderful that that happened as a result, but it was more about patriotism and preserving the economic stronghold that a unified United States would have had versus them being separate.